Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple calculator with the help of your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So let's get started. First of all, I will take two labels from the tool box, and then I will take two text boxes from the toolbox, and I will take a button. Okay, so now I have all the things. Let me change the font of all the labels. First of all, label name I will change. So first label name is num1, label num1, and the text is number 1. Okay, and the font will be a little bit bigger, so let's see. Bold and 16. Okay, and same for the text box. For the text box, font will be a little bit bigger. Bold 16. Label 2, font will be bit bigger, and for the text box also bigger font, and for the button also. And let's change the text of this label. This is number 2, and this button is the result. So button text is result. Okay, so now I have number 1 and number 2. So whenever I enter number 1 and number 2 and click this result button, it should show me the result of, for example, sum or addition or whatever. Now I will just click this result button and double click it, and in here I will write code. First of all, I will declare some global variables. So I will write dim number 1 as these are integer is equal to, first of all I will not give any value to the integer. So in the same way I will declare number 2 variable, and in the same way, copy and paste, I will declare a variable integer for answer. Okay, once this is done, and then in the button click event, I will write the code. Number 1 is equal to whatever we enter in the text box 1. So text box 1 dot text. In the same way, for number 2 variable, that means this variable is equal to text box 2. So these text box 1 and text box 2 are the names of these text boxes. You see here, text box 1 and text box 2, right? So this is this, and answer is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Okay, and then we will simply transfer this to the answer label or message box. So let's give the answer in message box. So I'll write message box dot show, and inside this message I will pass the answer. Okay, so this is done. Now this program will add these two numbers and show in the message box. So let's try and run the program. For example, I enter a first number as 20 and second number as 40, and I will click this result and it shows me 60, or 45, it shows me 65. But for example, when you want to enter some integer, for example 2.34 plus 2.55, it will still show me the integer value, not the decimal value. So for that, if you want to show these values as a decimal, here instead of declaring these number as integer, you just change it as single. Okay, and change all these values as single, and then run the program once again. 2.12 plus 4.25, and now it shows me the result, but in the message box you need to, it's showing the correct value. But what I am doing here is, what you see here, when you give 2.22 or as, and for second integer as 2.33 or whatever, it will give me this type of integer. But when you enter 2 comma, this is considered as point here, and this also is considered as point, and then you see here it's showing the correct result, 6.44 now. So just remember this while you are making the calculator. Now for example, you want to subtract number 2 from number 1, just add here the subtract sign and then run your program. And for example, I want to subtract 5 from 20, the result is 15. Now for example, you want to divide, just give this divide sign and now run the program. And first number is 20, second is 5, result will be 4. Okay, it's working. And for multiplication, just give this asterisk here and run the program, and 20 multiplied by 5 will be 100. Okay, so in this way you can perform mathematical expressions or mathematical calculation using Visual Basic. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.